Good afternoon. So what we're trying to do here is work our way through uploading an assignment for this course. So there have been a couple of assignments created, just as an example, so that you can see exactly what needs to be done. So here's our sample assignment with a file that's been attached to it, and just the word instructions there, whatever the instructions may be. To access the assignment, what you need to do is click on the word sample assignment, or whatever the title of the assignment is. Once you're in there, it'll tell you what the due date is and how many points you can possibly earn. There'll be instructions right here, and if there is a file or a document for you to click on, you can click on that and open the document. Now, once you've gone through all the instructions and you're ready to begin your assignment, you want to look into this assignment submission area right over here. And this is where you're going to see text submission or attach files. Personally, I don't like it when students put their entire assignment in the comment section. I personally like it in the assignment submission area. That's where it belongs. So to do a text submission, all you need to do is click on Write Submission, and you'll see a text box open up. You can make it bigger or smaller by clicking on the bottom right corner right over here. Let's make it a little bigger, and let's just say type your assignment here. You could also copy and paste something. So I copied something earlier, so I can just copy and paste that there. Or you can attach a file. If it's a Word document, you would just save it to your desktop, laptop, wherever it's saved. Click on Attach Files, and then browse your computer, and it'll be there. Once you're done, you can either save it as a draft or submit it. Now, if you click Save as Draft, it does not get submitted. You have to actually click Submit for the assignment to be submitted. Otherwise, it will not be available to your professors to be graded. So watch what happens when we click on Submit. We're going to click on Submit. It says right here, your submission has been successful. You can review your submission right here. You should get an email maybe popping up on the bottom of my screen in a minute or two, but you'll get an email letting you know that your assignment was submitted. Now, there's the email right over here. So now we have email confirmation. So if your professor ever says, I don't have your assignment, you should have gotten an email confirmation. So make sure that you're saving those. Additionally, you can review this. So if you go to My Grades right after you submit your assignments, you'll notice in the My Grades section, here it is, sample assignment. It was submitted. Let me zoom in, make it a little bit easier to see. Doesn't want to let me zoom in right now. But it's submitted on the 19th at this time. And if you notice this exclamation point here, if I scroll over that, that just means it needs grading. And if it were to be a speech bubble, that would just mean that there's feedback or comments there. And if you notice, all of a sudden, sample assignment is now blue. Now, when I scroll over it, nothing happens with the clicker, but it is a clickable link. See, black, not clickable. Blue, if I click on it, it does take me to my submission. So I can review the work that I have submitted just to make sure that it's okay. So that's how you would upload an assignment for any of your courses that are assigning work in this format.